Hello everyone! This actual PHP programming course provides the knowledge necessary for juniors to design and develop dynamic database-driven web pages using PHP version 7, which was written for the web development, is quick to learn and easy to deploy. Students will learn how to install and configure software of LAMP stack and will apply best practices of professional web application development. Web developers' job status vary according to the focus of the role. In an agency or as a freelancer, a web developer's job is to create products that meet clients' needs. The work can be particularly varied, with many projects to work on simultaneously and lots of meetings with clients to discuss their requirements and update them on progress. Who is web developer? In all cases, a web developer's primary task is creating reliable and high-performing applications and services which can be accessed over the internet. Web developers build and maintain websites and web applications. Their work usually focuses solely on underlying software and databases, known as backend. Some developers work on interface and visual design, the front end, while others can combine both, the full stack development. Our course program is based on the training materials for the certification. Students will learn algorithm of software development process, a sequence of steps taken to solve a web development tasks. They will learn how to install and configure the software of LAMP stack to administrative web server. They will learn how to create user interface of web application. Basics of HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript will be considered. In course part, students will learn basic PHP syntax concepts of variables, data types, PHP dynamical casting, scalar types, arrays and objects, how to embed in PHP scripts into HTML page, learn how to use functions to implement the web application's business logics, learn how to control the web application's flow using so-called control structures, which are used to decide at runtime what a program has to do. Flow controls is an important part of PHP and is essential for building applications. Students will learn main principles of object-oriented programming. These parts will teach the basis of relational database design and explains how to make a good database design for web application using definition of entities and relationships between them to organize access to stored data via structured query language. Students will learn web service mechanism of client browser identifying, learn principles of user authentication and authorization. They also learn how to implement data transfer via HTTP methods, learn main vulnerabilities of web applications and PHP tools that allow to increase level of web application security. These parts describe features of modern PHP frameworks and understanding the best practices of creation scalable, efficient and agile web applications. Students will learn the features of Kahana framework to understand basic concepts of MVC frameworks. Controller, models, views will be implemented during the course to provide the business logics of web application using the Kahana framework tools. Students will learn common activities of web application development using this framework. Learn to build professional websites and applications as used by real business. Get a job as an junior PHP developer with us.